unboxing and I guess a fitment test on this Evo 10 lip that I bought. Just kind of maybe help some of you guys out if you guys decide you guys want to buy this lip. Yeah, so let's check it out. Let's open it up. Right, got it here, and let's open this up. It's gonna be kind of hard doing it with one hand though. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up first, and yeah. All right, guys, I got it out of the box. I mean, just by looking at it already, I like it better than the first lip that I had purchased. The first one I purchased was a Icon Motorsports Evo 10 Voltec Red, I believe is what it was. Just by looking at this one, it's got these pre-drilled holes on it, which is kind of nice. The Icon one wasn't like that. Also, it's got these tabs in here, which some holes. That's pretty nice also. The Icon one wasn't like that. Let me go ahead and take this out, and then we can look at it a little bit better and then fit it on the Evo. Yeah, and if you guys are interested in this lip, I'll go ahead and I'll put it in the description below. I bought this one off Amazon. It was like 95 bucks, I think, so not too bad. All right, so we got it out of the packaging. One thing I do notice already, which is nice compared to the Icon one, is the Icon one right here, as maybe some of you guys know about it, but our bumpers have this hump right here that goes along this right here, especially right there. So the Icon one was just straight right here, so it was just straight. So whenever I put it on the car, it wasn't flush. So you had to do some modifications to it. So I just got a Dremel and just kind of cut it out on my Icon one. This one looks like it's already's got it right there, so not too bad. I like that. Like, I just got those pre-drilled holes out here. These I don't know. I guess whenever I put it on, we'll see, because it's got some right there too. But let's go ahead and test it on the Evo real quick. See how it fits. All right, guys. So my phone died, and I had to pop out the DSLR. So I don't know if quality's gonna be better, or I don't know. But anyways, for $95, it's not bad. It is completely flush all through the sides. I mean, it is not bad. There's a small gap right here. It's a tiny gap right there. Sorry. Adjust this. Yeah, there's a small gap right there. For $95, I'm not going to complain. And then back here, there's some clips right back here that hold the fender liner and bumper together. That's what those holes are for. And then down here, those tabs, there's some clips down there too. So, but for $95, not bad. All right, guys. Well, that was my my video, my unboxing and installation on this lip. I would highly recommend this. It looks good, fits good, and $95. That's not a bad price. The Icon one I bought, I think, was like $145, and I honestly would probably rather have this one. This one I got on Amazon, and if you guys want this one, like I said, I'll leave the description below, or the link, I should say. If you guys want to see any more videos on the Evo, just let me know. It's my first video on this channel, and I got many other projects coming for this car, so go ahead, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks guys.